Hello students, this is Sheetal Dikshit. Today we are going to study polynomials. But before that, we'll study terms. For example, 14xz plus 53y minus 3 is an expression. Here you will find that plus and minus sign, they separate in the expression in three parts. The 14xz, 53y and 3. These are the three terms of this expression. One more example, 23x square y minus 4y cube. This expression has two terms, 23x square y and 4y cube. So coming back to polynomial, poly means many, nomials means parts or terms you can say. So polynomial means many terms. A polynomial can be monomial, binomial, trinomial based on number of terms it has. If it has only one term, it is called monomial. If it has two terms, it is called binomial. If it has three terms, it is called trinomial. And if higher number of terms, we call it polynomial. So polynomial can be either one term or may have many terms. The example for monomial is 7, 4x, 3ab square. Binomial, it is 4 plus x, 3xy minus x. Trinomials, 3 plus a plus b. One more example, 3cd plus a plus 8. A polynomial is broadly categorized as one variable and more than one variable. If it has only one variable, for example 6x raised to 5, 2x square minus 7x plus 9. It may have more than one variable as well, 5xy cube plus 17xy plus 19y square plus 9. So here you will find there are two variables x and y. Now let us discuss what is a degree of a polynomial. Degree is the largest exponent of the variable. Let us see for one variable first. Here is an example. See 6x raised to 5 plus 2x square minus 7x plus 9. Here the highest power of the variable x is 5. So the degree is 5. Similarly, in the next example, we find that the highest degree of the variable is 3. Now, what if it has more than one variable? In that case, we will add exponents of each variable in it. So, the example 5xy cube plus 17xy plus 9y square plus 9. In this, we will find out the highest exponent of each and every term. 5xy cube, in this the exponent of x is 1 and for y it is 3. So the total is 4. Similarly, for the second term, it is 1 plus 1, 2. Third term, you can see exponent of y is 2. At the last term, it is a constant term. So here the exponent of variable is 0. So if you compare all the numbers, you will find that the highest exponent is 4. So the degree is 4. One more example with many variables. 7xz plus 10 plus 3z3y plus 19y raised to 4. Here, first term, its exponent is 1 plus 1, 2. Second, it is a constant term, so 0. Third, it is 3 plus 1, 4. Fourth term, it is y raised to 4, that is degree is 4. So 4 is the degree of this polynomial. I hope you understood what is meant by a polynomial, what are the terms and expressions, different types of polynomial, and also how to find degree of a polynomial. Thank you for watching.